Looking for reliable and powerful charging? Introducing the new EMOS USB adapter series, the ultimate charging solution for every situation. With GaN and power delivery PD technologies, they offer higher performance, smaller size, and maximum reliability. With GaN technology, the adapters are smaller, more efficient, and heat up less. Power delivery delivers fast charging for phones, laptops, tablets, and other devices up to 120 watts. Higher efficiency means less energy wasted on heat and faster recharging of your device. Choose the right adapter, but which one? Need to charge your laptop, phone, or other devices all at once? Reach for more powerful models with charging power of 45 to 120 watts. Traveling light? Ultra-compact adapters fit easily in your pocket and have universal input voltage for use almost anywhere in the world. Do you have a family or work from home? Multi-port adapters can handle charging multiple devices simultaneously wherever you are. EMOS adapters feature overload, overvoltage, and short circuit protection, so your devices are always safe. Intelligent power management ensures the optimal charging speed for each connected device. The eco-friendly, plastic-free packaging and minimalist design make the adapters ideal for the office, home, and travel. EMOS USB adapters, fast, efficient, and always on hand. EMOS, making life easy.